Technological innovations are not always something about huge machines, complicated theories, and hard-to-crack know-hows. Often, innovations are simple technologies designed to overcome the drudgeries of human labor. Not only scientists, but ordinary people have come up with a wide variety of such technologies which have proved their worth to the needs of the society. Often, such people remain relatively unknown. Here is a story of one such person.
Out there, he is just a part of the crowd. Yet, P.N. Divakaran, a native of Kollam in southern Kerala, differs from the rest of his fellow men. He has pursued the vocation of fabricating machines for several decades, unmindful of poor and uncertain returns. And he keeps alive this passion for machines, a passion that was ignited in him at a young age when he worked at a smithy to supplement his parents' meager income. Though deprived of a formal education, he acquired enormous knowledge of machines while on a variety of jobs. An assistant's job at a machine tool unit at 15, a motorcar mechanic at 25, a lathe worker a little later, and a plumber in between, provided him the knowledge needed to fabricate and innovate machines. His passion for machines took a new turn when he set up a lathe workshop at Uliyakoil, an area of sprawling coconut groves and scores of cottage units, all involved in extraction of coir fiber from coconut husk. The husk is a mass of fiber enmeshed in the pith. To extract the fiber, the husk is first retted by keeping it submerged in saline-rich waters for about 6 months. This process decomposes the husk, loosening the fiber from the pith. The repeated beating of the decomposed husk with wooden mallets separates the pith from the fiber. It is then cleaned to obtain a fiber of light golden color, which is spun into yarn and then into ropes of various sizes and girth. Of course, it is this fiber that goes into the making of enchanting mats and carpets. Divakaran, a keen observer, began designing a machine to mitigate the drudgery of the workers. And he came up in the early 80s with a coir fiber cleaning machine consisting of a shaft with 5 rows of serrated curved knives to clean the fiber fed through the top inlet. The knife assembly, when driven, cleans the fiber. This machine, which was well received by the neighboring coir cottage units, encouraged Divakaran to his second venture, a crusher to extract fiber from decayed husk. The crusher consisted of a beater assembly, of a series of radial arms with toss steel rods welded to a central shaft. These low-cost diesel-powered machines, which are doing the job of extracting fiber even today, however, drained his meager resources. Undaunted by financial hardship, Divakaran took to developing a composite mobile unit for extraction and cleaning of fiber from the fresh green husk without retting it for 6 months in saline-rich waters. The prototype of the machine upon which he is still working consists of a crusher and a cleaner unit, both mounted on a 4-wheeled chassis. Driven by a diesel engine, the crusher of the prototype, which consists of a meter assembly, is quite economical. It can defiber 10,000 green husks in a day, consuming about 15 liters of diesel. Indirectly, this machine reduces the pollution of backwaters, as it extracts fiber from green husk without it being retted in saline-rich waters. Divakaran's machines may not be technological marvels, but they symbolize the human passion for invention, which often benefit the fellow being, though not the inventor.
Well, that was Divakaran. He has been making machines to extract and clean fiber from coconut husk. His meager resources never deterred him from actualizing his innovative ideas. This is a spirit which has brought about innovations and kept societies on the move everywhere.